Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're going to take up the Flightline OV-10 Bronco. Got two 4000 Spectrum Smart Packs in her. Rates are 100% throws, over 30% expo. Don't have the ordnance on. She got light, she got attitude. She's like a A10 with props. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right. Wind is out that way, so I really don't need takeoff flaps today though. Here we go.
Gear up.
She's not a rocket ship by any stretch of the imagination. Let me get a crossover in here in front of you actually. Kind of has a slower roll rate. That's okay. Very stable platform. Not hard to fly at all.
Gear down.
Make sure my gear is down, and it is. Probably gonna come back and land the other direction though.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Actually, what we're going to do, we're going to land from our right corner over here. I haven't flown this plane in forever. Definitely has grass ready gear. We'll do takeoff flaps, and we'll take off from right there.
Flaps up. Gear up.
A little bit of a knife edge here. The rudders are extremely effective on this plane. Big roll, a big loop.
Gear down.
Gears down.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right, we're going to turn back and we're going to turn around and we're going to have to land from that corner again. But we'll land in the grass this time. Got some big old heavy duty gear. Well, there you go, OV-10 with grass ops. Looks like I grabbed a hitchhiker there. Something's hanging. Oh, I got
Motor off.
Let me get that hitchhiker off of there. Motor's off.
Motor on.
Let's continue on with our flight.
Gear up.
Go up here and take it up. Like I say, she's not a powerhouse, but
Time remaining 2 minutes.
good stable flying plane. A little bit of a knife edge here. Looks like we got a storm coming in.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
There we go. Kept it on the runway.
Takeoff flaps.
All right, take it up one more time. Takeoff flaps are deployed.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Gear up. All right, full speed right at us.
Time remaining 1 minute. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Good flying, stable bird. There we go. All right.
Motor off. Flaps up.
Let's check our batteries, because you got 2 of them in there. Honey, would you come forward so you can see the setup inside? We had 41 seconds left on a 5-minute timer. This plane was so dusty, and I believe the best way to get dust off a plane is to fly it. That's my 2 4000 Spectrums. Let's go ahead, we have to take them out in order to check them though. And they just sit in there side by side, and you're going to want to put your battery on the underside of them like that. The UBC, or UBEC, is in line with that one there. All right, let's check this one here. 69%. I could have flown for 7 or 8 minutes, really. Man. 67%. You know what? We need to get these batteries further down. Let's go up a little bit more and get them a little bit further. We won't check the batteries a second time, though. We're just going to go up for just a little bit, couple more flights, get these batteries down closer to 30%. And really, there's no, just set them in there, because they're not going to go anywhere. Side by side, XT60 connectors. Like I say, and one of them has the UBEC inline. All right. All right. Okay. All right, let's take her up again. Fly for about 3 more minutes, maybe.
Motor on.
Okay. 69, 67%. I want them batteries lower than that.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up. Gear up.
Come right at us.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6. Landing flaps. 5. Gear down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
There we go. All right.
Flaps up.
We'll take off one more time here.
Gear up.
This has such an iconic shape to it. Very easy to, orientation is actually very simple with this plane. With having that big elevator up there like that.
Gear down. Landing flaps. Minute over.
There we go.
Flaps up. Motor off.
All right, folks. Well, that is the Flightline OV-10 Bronco. Great stable plane. I wouldn't, if you have several, maybe 3 or 4 planes under your belt of different types, and maybe a low wing under your belt, and you fly that well, then maybe you're ready for the OV-10 Bronco. She doesn't have the power and punch that you need for immediate thrust to get out of trouble, but she does have enough power to keep her going. She's I definitely think this should be converted to a 6S bird with a little more power. The frame could definitely handle it, but she flies nice in scale. The wings do come off with 1 connect and 2 screws. And for transport, I don't recommend putting the ordnance on her because it's just that much more drag. Unless you have a perfectly calm day and plenty of room, I don't recommend flying with the ordnance. But a good looking bird, she lights up. Looks good with all the lights of an evening. Thank you for watching, folks. Y'all don't forget to like and subscribe if you can. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And then A-10 Broncos, or OV-10 Broncos, but the A-10 with props is the way I look at it. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.